Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to stop someone from adding you to Telegram groups. If you are tired of people constantly adding you to different Telegram groups and you want to stop it, just watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. After that, right here you can easily find that settings icon. Just hit on that to open up settings, and then you can scroll down for a bit until you find privacy and security. Just tap on that. Right here you can find privacy settings. You can private your phone number, your currently online status, your profile photo, calls, voice messages, forwarded messages, and groups and channels. You have to tap at groups and channels to be able to set it up, and right here at the very top you can see who can add me. It means who can add me on groups and channels. By default, this feature is set to everybody, but you can easily switch it to My Contacts. So from now, just your contacts will be able to add you to groups or channels, and also here you can add some exceptions like never allow and always allow, so you can hit on never allow. So let's say some of your contact keep bothering you with adding you to groups and channels all the time. You can hit right here where it says add users, and then by check marking those users you can add them to never allow exceptions. Also, you can hit right here at the search box and then just start typing username. It shows you the results, and from here you can also, by check marking those users, add them to that list. Once you finished with that, you can hit on done, and now you can go back here, and right now, as you can see, 3 users are not allowed to invite me to groups. And also you can in the same way set up always allow. You can hit where it says add users, and then you can check mark any of them to add them to that exceptions. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.